Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on CoinMarketCap. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your CoinMarketCap application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. From the main homepage, tap on your profile picture appearing at the top right hand corner. Now tap on your profile picture once again at the top and tap on edit right next to the followers option. Under profile, tap on your avatar one more time, and from the preset of avatars list, you can select one of the avatars, or if you want to upload your own photo, tap on the upload button right at the top right and tap on select photos or allow access to all photos option. This will then take you to your camera library. Select one of the pictures you would like to upload as your profile photo on CoinMarketCap. After selecting the picture, tap on done at the top right. Adjust the image like how you would want it to appear on your profile and tap on the tick at the bottom right. Wait for a few minutes and then you will be able to see that you have successfully uploaded your profile picture. Once you've uploaded the picture, tap on save at the bottom in order to save your change, and there you have successfully changed your profile picture on CoinMarketCap. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.